Hi, I'm Monster 1970. Today I'm going to be installing a set of these fork deflectors on my 2007 Yamaha Vstar 1300 Tourer. Let's get started. Okay, the part number for the deflectors is an MEM 5804, and I also had to get this kit which will connect it to the forks. And that part number is MEK 1934. Here is the kit, and here are the deflectors. So let me get these opened up and then we'll start installing them. Okay, here's everything that comes in the kit. Of course, your mounting instructions, your throttle side bracket assembly, clutch side bracket assembly, clamp assembly, 3/16 short arm Allen wrench, and socket head cap screws. Additional tool they say you're going to need is a 7/8 wrench. That's pretty big. And they're saying to cover the gas tank and front fender with towels to avoid damage during installation. Attach fork deflectors to the throttle side bracket assembly and the clutch side bracket assembly using the pre-assembled bolts. I think the instructions meant a 7/16 wrench, not a 7/8. It does say 7/8 on there. So you've got to install this grommet, which I had to take off the screws, into here. Now, it should go up like this. I knew I dropped something. Put that in like that. And then this is the throttle side assembly. Here's the other one. There we go. Gotta do the same thing with this one. There we go. I'm gonna install these in here. Take the other bracket. It should go like this. It should be like this. So I'm going to take this bolt out and should be interesting. Slide it over top of here. And it's too loose, so I'm going to go in the second clamp hole. Too loose, close. Look, there's rubber. There's something inside of here. So if I go with the third one back, that might be too tight. Let's try it. Third one will work. So I'm gonna have to go with the third hole. And I am going to have to use these longer bolts. So I got that one started. Now I'll go over and, well, I guess I can install the deflector on that side. This one, correct? Why does that not seem right? Okay, it's a little confusing. Evidently with the screw clamp on that one towards the front, it was bringing it too far forward. Let's see if this works. Very difficult to get the wrench in there. It'd be better if I turn the wheel. Turn the handlebars that way. I can get in there a little better. Make sure it's not hitting the turn signal. And want it up so that it's not allowing the wind to come up underneath the tank. So I think if I bring it like right up to the bottom of here, the batwing, that should take care of my problems. Evidently you don't have to worry about over tightening it. Well, unless you snap the bolt off or strip the aluminum, because it won't tighten down enough that you can actually squash the grommets too far. But again, make sure I'm not hitting the plant or the turn signal, and that looks good. Tighten this up. There we go. That one seems to be on there pretty good. Just enough clearance in there. Let's see how that works. Now let's go to the other side. This in the third notch. And then gonna pretty much slide her over the bike. And get her in there. And again, you gotta get this bolt in so that you don't strip the hole out. And to do that, you have to almost push out. Turning, get it started. There we go. Now I can take her back around. So I don't know how this is gonna act whenever you actually get wind on it. Is it gonna come too far forward? And it's gonna hit there? I would think the wind's gonna come up across it and then up and out. That's about the same. Yeah, it's about the same. That's good. to slide that up a little bit more so it's not in contact with that hose. These up. So that one's on good. It's clear of the hose. Now this one, I don't know if you can see that. I want to bring this one up a little bit so that it's not touching up against the brake line. Okay, I can show you we got everything connected. It's not rubbing up against any hoses. We got some clearance up here. Let's look at the other side. Got some clearance up here. The clamp is not touching the brake line, and it's going up underneath the batwing. So that should do it. I'm excited to give it a try then and see how that works. There's another view of how it looks. Well, that'll do it for installing the front fork deflectors from Memphis Shades on my 2007 Yamaha Vstar 1300 Tourer. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.